Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dave Class. My name is Tejiri. So I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process on how to install multiple versions of PHP on your Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu version 23. Yeah. Now, before we go further, please, I want you to take a moment to hit the subscribe button as well as to like this video. Now, don't forget to also place a comment in the comment section below. This is so important to me. It's a way for you to say you support my video and you appreciate this knowledge I'm sharing with you, as well as to get my video as soon as I release them via your notification. Now, before I go further, I'll be running. Let's go ahead to run our terminal. I'll be launching our terminal so as to show you the current version of Ubuntu that is running on this machine. Now I'll be copying our code from this code editor. Now what this first command does is to show you the current version of PHP that is version of Ubuntu that is running on this machine. Next, I'll be showing you the currently installed PHP version as well, and the default one that is selected on this machine. So you can see that the current installed and selected PHP version is 8.2. I'll hit the enter. Now the first thing we'll do is, this is the process now. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. So this is the process. First of all, you run this code sudo. You install the PHP ondrej on your machine. Now many of us will get error when installing ondrej on PHP on Ubuntu 23 version 23. Not to worry, that's the essence of this video. I'll tell you how to solve it. So you see down here it says there's an error that is being displayed. The essence, what they are trying to say with this, what this error message means is that they are saying is not available. So to solve that problem, you click on start and you go to your software and update. Once your software and update is loaded, you click on the tab other software. All you have to do here is just to click on edit and you change lunar to jammy. That's all you have to do. You input your password, your root password. Okay, you repeat the same thing for the second one. Change it to jammy. You hit enter. You close to refresh your repository. Just wait a while. Once that is done successfully, you head back to your terminal and we hit sudo apt-update. You shouldn't be getting any error at this stage. That error message you got earlier should be gone. Now, if you are on, the next thing we're going to do is to install our PHP version itself. At this stage, you are free to install any version of PHP you want on your machine. So now I'll be installing version 7.2. You see, there are no errors at all. This is going to take a while to install, depending on your internet, the speed of your internet connection will determine how fast the installation process will take. I think okay, it's finished downloading now. It's unpacking the package into our system. So the next thing we're going to do is now, while we're waiting for this installation process to complete, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and as well as to like my video. And if you have any question of any kind, any question at all, hit me up on the comment section below. And even though you don't have a question, please, I want you to just type PHP is not dead. There are a lot of comment on the internet saying PHP is dead. PHP is not dead. PHP is living. There's no PHP dead version. It's PHP live on. So now that we've successfully installed our version 7.2, we can verify the installation process by running this command. As you can see here, if you look at selection 2, that is the number of our PHP version. So you click, I'll set it as default. I want you to see this. I will type PHP version, so you see the current version that is installed, that is being set as default on this machine. And now I'm going to change it to 7.2, which is index number 2. Hit enter, and now if I run that same command, PHP version, we could see that 7.2 is successfully set as our default PHP on our system. Now, if you feel for some reasons you want to remove a specific version from your machine, now before you go further, don't forget to restart Apache after running through this whole process. Don't forget to restart your Apache server. So once that is done, you are good to go. And you could install as many versions of PHP on your machine as you wish. Now I will show you how to also remove a version of PHP from your machine. I'll just copy this command and paste it in our terminal. Before I run this command, let me set the default back to 8.1. yeah. If I run this command again, 8.1 is set by default. I don't want to change it. I'll just hit enter. And then next thing we have to do, always remember to restart your Apache 2. Once that is done, you're good to go. Now I would like to uninstall version 7 from my system. I'll just run this command and that's all, and it's gone from the computer. You type Y, which means yes, you want to go ahead with your to uninstall from your machine. You wait a while, it shouldn't take long. I think that's it. That is it. So that's how you install. This is how you install multiple versions of PHP on Ubuntu version 23. It's very fast and easy. Don't forget to always also run your sudo apt-update. So that's how. Thank you for watching my video. So this is a step-by-step process. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon some other time. Bye.